In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable fixed assets in Zoho. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so that the fixed assets feature is turned on and ready for use in your Zoho Books account. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you should land on the Zoho Books home or dashboard page. This is your starting point. From here, we're going to head straight into the settings area where all the main configuration options are found. Look toward the top right corner of your Zoho Books screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This takes you into the main settings section where you can adjust everything from organization details to modules and preferences. Once you're inside settings, focus on the search bar or search field within this page. This is a quick way to jump directly to the option you need instead of scrolling through long menus. Click into the search field and type the words fixed asset. As you start typing, Zoho Books will show you matching settings or modules related to your search. You should now see an option related to fixed assets appear in the search results. When you see it, click on that fixed asset option. This will open the specific settings page where you can control whether the fixed assets feature is enabled or disabled in your account. On the fixed assets settings page, look for a checkbox or toggle next to the fixed assets label. This box controls the activation of this module. To enable fixed assets, simply click the box beside it so that it becomes checked or switched on. When this box is enabled, Zoho Books will add fixed assets to your available modules, allowing you to track and manage things like equipment, vehicles, or other long-term assets directly in your accounting system. After checking that box, make sure you save or apply your changes if Zoho prompts you to do so. Once that's done, the fixed assets feature is officially active in your account. You can now return to your main Zoho Books interface